Hello foreign Indian medical students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is one update from National Medical Commission. A frequently asked questions containing 15 questions with its answers is released by the National Medical Commission based on the queries raised by the Ukraine and China returned medicos. This FAQ contains 15 questions, of which the question 11 is somewhat upset to students. Is Ukraine returned medicos are accommodated in Indian medical colleges? The answer is given as no. Let me see the question and answers one by one. National Medical Commission update. Frequently asked questions based on queries raised by foreign medical students from Ukraine and China. Frequently asked questions based on queries raised by foreign medical students from Ukraine and China. A disclaimer is also given that these FAQs are in the nature of explanation for ease of understanding of the general public and cannot be upheld in a court of law. Please refer to the relevant Gazette notifications for legal validity. Question number 1. Who is covered under the provisions of the Screening Test Regulation 2002? Answer is those foreign medical students whose classes were started prior to the publication of Foreign Medical Graduate Licentiate Regulation 21, that is 18/11/21, are covered under the provisions of Screening Test Regulation 2002. This answer is already available in the FAQ issued for Screening Test Regulation. Nothing new in this question and answer. Question number 2. Who are covered under the provisions of Foreign Medical Graduate Licentiate Regulation 21? Answer is such foreign medical students whose classes have been started after the publication of Foreign Medical Graduate Licentiate Regulations 21, that is 18/11/21, are covered under the provisions of FMGL Regulations 21. This is also available in the Gazette notification issued then. Date of offer letter, invitation letter, admission letter will not be considered to decide the applicability of FMGL Regulations 21. These two questions are not a new one. The answers are already available in the Gazette notification issued earlier. Then coming to question number 3. To whom is NMC public notice dated 28th July applicable? Answer is it is applicable to Indian students who were in the last year of their undergraduate medicine courses but had to leave their foreign medical institute due to COVID-19. Russia-Ukraine war, etc., and returned to India and have subsequently completed their studies and granted certificate of completion of course degree by their respective institution on or before 30th June 22. This answer is also already available in the web portal dated 28/7/22. Then question number 4. Whether the foreign medical graduates who have completed their medical qualification during the last year and granted certificate of completion of course degree by their respective institute and already qualified FMG examination are also required to undergo CRMI internship for a period of 2 years. This question was asked several times in my YouTube channel by subscribers, and the answer is yes. In order to make up for the clinical training which could not be physically attended by FMGs during the undergraduate medicine course in the foreign institute, and also to familiarize them with the practice of medicine under Indian conditions. Therefore, 2 years internship is mandatory for foreign medical graduates who have completed their medical qualification during the last year and already qualified FMG examination. Then coming to fifth question. What if the MBBS course has been completed in July 22 instead of June 22? The final year students were granted concession who have completed the course on or before 30th June. Instead of June, if they completed July 22, what is the answer? In pursuance to the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court of India in SLP, the relaxation to foreign medical graduates has been granted only to those students who were in the last year of their undergraduate medicine course but had to leave their foreign medical institute due to COVID-19, Russia-Ukraine war, etc., and return to India and have subsequently completed their studies and granted certificate of completion of course degree by their respective institute on or before 30th June 22. Can Ukraine returned foreign medical students transfer to other colleges? As regards foreign medical students covered under screening test regulations 2002, there is no clause regarding transfer in the regulations. As such, there are no restrictions on transfer so long as other criteria laid down in screening test regulations 2002 are fulfilled. Any foreign medical student whose classes were started after 18/11/21 and covered under FMGL Regulation 21 should verify his/her undergraduate course in accordance with Regulation 4 of FMGL Regulation 21. However, the entire course, training and internship or clerkship shall be done in the same foreign medical institution throughout the course of study, and no part of training internship shall be done from other institute. Hence, transfer is not allowed. For students who are covered under screening test regulation, there was no restriction on transfer. But when come to FMGL regulation students, that is, who have started their classes after 18/11/21, no transfer is allowed. Then coming to question number 7. Can transfer be taken from 6-year course to 5-year course? Any foreign medical students who is covered under screening test regulation 2002 may change, transfer his/her institute university subject to fulfillment of criteria conditions as laid down in screening test regulation 2002. Question number 8. Is there any no objection certificate from National Medical Commission required for taking transfer from one foreign medical institute to another foreign medical institute? Foreign medical institutes, universities are outside the jurisdiction of the NMC. Therefore, the question of issuance of any no objection certificate by the Commission does not arise. This is question number 9. What should the students ensure before taking transfer or new admission in any foreign medical institute university? Foreign medical students whose classes were started after 18/11/21 are governed with the provisions of FMGL 21. They must complete the entire duration of the course, training and a internship or clerkship in the same foreign medical institution, and no part of medical training and internship shall be done in India or in any country other than country from where the primary medical qualification is obtained. Prior to taking new admissions in any foreign medical institute university, medical students are advised to ensure the following provisions of FMGL regulation in order to avoid any hardship to be faced after returning to India. 1. Minimum duration of undergraduate course degree is 54 months. 2. An internship for a minimum duration of 12 months in the same foreign medical institution is provided. 3. Medium of instruction is in English. 4. Mandatory subjects as specified in the Schedule 1 of FMGL regulation are studied. 5. Respective professional regulatory body which is competent to grant license to practice medicine in their respective country in which the medical degree is awarded grants registration to the foreign medical students and is at par with the license to practice medicine given to citizen of that country. Then question number 10. Is the mobility program offered by Ukraine approved by National Medical Commission? National Medical Commission does not approve any such program. This is the important question. In spite of so many efforts taken by the Ukraine returned medicos by way of protest, hunger strike, and Parents Students Association plea, the answer is somewhat upset. Can Ukraine returned foreign medical students be accommodated in Indian medical colleges? One word answer, no. Question number 12. List of foreign medical institutes, university which are approved by National Medical Commission. NMC does not approve or recognize foreign medical institute or university for award of any medical qualification. Question number 11, I once again read. Can Ukraine returned foreign medical students be accommodated in Indian medical colleges? No. Question number 13. Are online classes of foreign medical students returned from Ukraine valid? If so, for FMG studying in which year? Foreign medical students are allowed to undergo online classes of theory subjects only, which should mandatorily be supplemented by offline practical and clinical training done in the medical university and or its affiliated hospital during their MBBS course. A certificate issued by foreign medical university for successful completion of offline practical and clinical training is required to be furnished by the FMG graduates. Then question number 14. How many years of internship are required to be done by foreign medical students who are governed as per FMGL 21? This answer is also available in the Gazette notification. Foreign medical students are required to undergo an internship with a minimum duration of 12 months in the same foreign medical institution. In addition, foreign medical students are required to undergo a supervised internship in India for a minimum term of 12 months after qualifying foreign medical graduate examination. Internship of foreign medical students shall be as per provisions of NMC Compulsory Rotating Medical Internship Regulation 21. Both these regulations are effective from 18/11/21, that is FMGL and CRMI. Then coming to the last question, 15. Which document among admission letter, invitation letter, passport stamp and transcript will NMC consider before allowing foreign medical graduates to sit in next exam or any other prescribed exams? Answer is draft of National Exit Test Examination is under consideration in NMC and will be published in public domain after finalization. This is the end of the FAQ session. Thanks for watching. For updates, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.